Alright tubes, I went ahead and I sanded it down and it's looking pretty good. I have a little bit more sanding to do. For the most part it's fairly smooth now. There's a little bit down here I got to do some more. I just thought I'd show that to you. But before we go too much further, it's time to put some seam sealer in, and this is what we used last time, and boy, this stuff is tough. I mean tough. If you put it in the wrong spot, good luck getting it off, because it's not easy. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to tape all this off, and then we're going to mold it and put it in there. And then I started to go down towards the bottom, because I don't know if you can see it. I'll look. We have to go down up under the bottom here, get all the seams and stuff down up under here and seal them up, make sure they're good. And the nice part is this is behind the tail light, so you don't get to see any of that, you know, once the tail light's on. So, but anyways, I just wanted to show you, give you another quick update where we're at, and just hope you guys are enjoying the video and the series. So let me get this on here, and then we'll show you when we got it done, and we might even show you putting it on too. One of the things you have to do is you have to tape everything off, and then you need to clean it down with a little bit of alcohol. Make sure the alcohol is dry, not wet up under here, so when this stuff gets on there, it doesn't like dilute it or something. It shouldn't be too big of a deal, because you should be putting it on thick enough that it wouldn't matter. But just in case, you know, make sure it's dry and everything. And then come up over the top. We're actually going to go down here. I'll put some tape across here and up here, because there's going to be a little plug for the taillight sitting there, and we don't need that on that. When we put it in, we'll probably put a little bit on it, maybe some RTV, because this stuff is like, after taxes, like 16 bucks a tube. So yeah, I don't think it's going to last that long for us to paint the car and get everything and then install that taillight. So anyways, let me get to it. Okay guys, we got it on. Used the caulking gun right here, and I squished it in there real good after you saw the tape off. Got it all the way down, went underneath the bottom, up in the wheel well area right here in the corner. To get in the corner, you just put some on your neoprene glove and squish it in. You have to use the neoprene glove, because if you don't, it'll get on your fingers really bad and it won't get off. Alright, after you get it on, you can smush it around with your neoprene glove. It's going to look like this. Now, to make it look like that, you get a little bit of brake clean, and you spray some on your finger, and you wipe it like this. And you'll need a paper towel to go ahead and get it off your finger every now and then. And that's how you do it. And don't worry about the brake clean, it'll evaporate right out of this stuff, so it won't matter. It's not like you're really, you know, trying to impregnate it. You're just smushing it around. So anyways, let me get it done and I'll show it to you. Okay, I got it all smoothed up real good. Now, before this stuff gets dry, you need to go ahead and pull your tape off, and pull it carefully. If you don't get the tape off fairly quickly, you won't get the tape off. And the other thing is that when you get the tape off, it leaves a nice edge like this. And you can always come back with a little bit of alcohol if you want, and re-smush it to make it look good again. So let me get all this off of here and I'll show it to you. Alright, almost got it off. Okay, we got it off. Now I can use a little bit of brake clean and kind of smooth the edges out a little bit and lay it down. So let me get that done. Alright guys, here we go. We got it all done up. You know what? Let me turn the light on to make it easier for you guys to see it. Okay guys, well here's the result. I actually filmed it a few days ago, and I lost the film somehow, so I thought I would come out and just reshoot it. Unfortunately, it's it's more towards sunset, so as you can see, the shadows and stuff aren't really helping. So maybe if I come up in here and do this, try to focus this, maybe it'll help. We'll see. So anyways, it turned out pretty nice. A couple of little spots maybe I could have smoothed over a little better, but if you remember, there was like a nice big straight corner edge right here, like 90 degree, and then it would go, so it would come up and it would go like this, kind of like a Z, and now it's just nice and smooth like this. So, and here's the back side down here, and it looks pretty much the same across the bottom, so I'm not going to worry about showing that, crawling down on the ground to show you that. But it's all sealed up pretty good. I do have some cracks on the older seams right here, so I might go back and refill just this portion right here. So anyways, that's how I put the seam sealer on and smoothed it out and made it look fairly good without getting it messy all over the rest of the car. So just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying the video series, and God bless you all, and Keith on you out. Bye.